The most believed hypothesis is that the origin of the name Pisa comes from Etruscan and means mouth, as Pisa is at the mouth of the Arno River. Why is Pisa so famous? The Leaning Tower of Pisa is a medieval structure in Pisa, Italy, that is famous for the settling of its foundations, which by the late 20th century had caused it to lean about 15 feet, 4.5 meters, from the perpendicular. Here are some interesting facts about the Leaning Tower of Pisa. 1. Leaning Tower. The most obvious fact is its characteristic tilt. The tower started to lean during its construction due to unstable soil and poor foundation. Engineers have since stabilized it to prevent further leaning. 2. Construction. The construction of the tower began in 1173 and took over 199 years to complete. It was originally intended to be a bell tower for the nearby cathedral. 3. Architect. While the identity of the architect is debated, it is commonly attributed to either Bonanno Pisano or Gherardo di Gherardo. 4. Materials. The tower is made of marble and limestone. 5. Height. The tower is approximately 56 meters, 185 feet, tall on the high side and 55 meters, 183 feet, on the low side. It has 8 stories. 6. Lean. At its most extreme, the lean was about 5.5 degrees off the perpendicular. After restoration efforts in the late 20th century, it now leans at around 3.97 degrees. 7. Visitors. The Leaning Tower of Pisa is one of the most famous tourist attractions in Italy, drawing millions of visitors every year. 8. Galileo's experiment. Legend has it that Galileo Galilei dropped 2 balls of different masses from the tower to demonstrate that their time of descent was independent of their mass. While there is no concrete evidence that this experiment actually took place, it remains a popular story associated with the tower. 9. Closure. In 1990, the tower was closed to the public due to safety concerns regarding its tilt. It underwent extensive restoration work to stabilize its lean and was reopened to the public in 2001. 10. World Heritage Site. The Leaning Tower of Pisa is part of the Piazza dei Miracoli, Square of Miracles, UNESCO World Heritage Site, which also includes the cathedral, baptistry, and cemetery.